Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Motsepe, and if you are new to my channel, please let me know in the comment section so that we get to know each other. For my returning subscribers, I thank you for the support, and let's continue to support each other. And I am doing cleaning, organizing and laundry motivational videos. So today I come to you with a lot of laundry to be done. So do it with me or get motivated for the next batch of your laundry. Let's get down to the video. So in every laundry, every weekend, we use Omo washing powder. We have trusted it for so many years. We have been introduced to it and we're loving it. So we've been using it for so many years. That's why I am showing it to you. We unpack it into a bucket so that we keep it safe to be spilled by kids, not to be spilled by kids. And yeah, that's what we're using. We're using Omo washing powder. It's tough on stains. So when the machine is still busy spinning the laundry, I decided let me tidy up the floor. I previously cleaned these rooms, but we have two boys which are super active and they are all over. As you can see, the toys are all over. We don't exactly have a playroom special for them, so they throw everything everywhere. So I decided let me clean them, let me pack them, because the other one is asleep and the other one is playing outside with next door neighbors. Let's get down to the cleaning of the floors. These little tiny things, I hate them so much. I hate them so much because they are the things that trip us up. They are all over. They get underneath everything. Yes, now everything is back to normal. Everything is clean. The floor is clean. I packed away everything. And let me introduce myself again. My name is Elizabeth Motsepe. If you're new to my channel, please let me know in the comment section and we get to know each other. This machine takes 35 minutes to spin the laundry and it was done. Now it's time to take out it from the machine to the rinsing basket. So let's get down to the rinsing basket and spin dry it and hang it outside. the meantime, while I was taking the laundry from the rinsing basket to the spinning compartment, I decided let me take load number 2 and wash it while I am packing the laundry into the spinning compartment so that I save time also. While I'm done packing the laundry into the spinning compartment, in the midst of everything, I kind of cooked vanilla custard. So I chilled because the other laundry was busy washing. So I chilled and had my custard. I was enjoying my vanilla custard. I was refreshing in the midst of the laundry. Go ahead and grab your juice, grab your snack or anything and enjoy with me. After enjoying my snack, the spinning was done. It was time to go and hang out the laundry for it to dry completely. This machine can dry it, but you have to hang it at least 30 minutes outside for them to be completely dry. And before I hang that one, I make sure that I leave the other one spinning while I'm hanging the other one outside. this far, thank you for joining me. Thank you for supporting me up until this time. I'm now hanging out the laundry for the final dryness. So let's enjoy hanging out the laundry. And in the meantime, please subscribe to my channel, share the videos and like them so that you can enjoy and get motivated. In the meantime, for those who are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me you're new so that you can know each other. Let's hang the laundry. Thank you very much for making it this far. I thank you for the support and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.